How to stop sharing messages from iPhone to other devices. So let's get started with the tutorial. If your messages are showing up on other Apple devices like an iPad or Mac, it means they are synced through your Apple ID or iCloud messages. So here is what you can do in the easiest or simplest method. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, tap on your Apple ID at the top. To stop your messages from appearing elsewhere, you will have to log out your other Apple ID signed in devices and only keep on the main iPhone or main device. Once you tap on it, scroll down and there you will get to see all the devices that have been logged into your Apple ID. Now tap on one that you want to sign out with. So here let me just tap on the Mac option available there and tap on the sign out and remove from this account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.